All right, hey, hello YouTubers. We got an interesting video today. We actually got the Hydro Flask. Which one of these is fake? Seriously. Yeah, there's plenty of reviews as far as on eBay and Amazon and so on and so forth. And, they're selling these things. And, we got excited. I'll be honest with you. We did. We got the delivery of these bottles and we're like, wow, how can you tell? You know what? So we went to our local store. Look at that. REI. That's right. And we had to put them side by side. So when you go ahead and put them side by side, now we're going to go ahead and look at the details of which one is real. Well, obviously, if we look at this right here, and I'm going to put the other one right next to each other. The first set of red flags is right here. So no graphic design background. So they try to match it as close as possible, but if you look at the R, it is a little bit above. If you look at this one over here, graphic design is right on the money. Also, if you look at the texture, this right here is exactly how it looks on the camera. And this right here is powder coated. You did a pretty good job on that one right there. But let's go ahead and look at the lids now. I mean, even on this, you can tell right away. This is nice and shiny. And this over here, it's a pretty good print. Now let's look at the components inside. Give me a second. Look at that. This is the original cap. I'm going to go ahead and put it aside. And here's the Fugazi. Pretty good. But the only way to really tell side by side is I'm going to try. You see that? The diameter of the insulation on the bottom. You can tell right away. One's bigger than the other. So, and here we are. So you could totally tell the diameter in the center of it. In addition to that, so as I move the real one, and here's the fake one, here are the respective caps. Now, when I move this, it's pretty hard. It's just doesn't sit right. If you look, the indentation there. Now, here's the clarity of the fake one. Look at this, nice and smooth. I can move it with one finger very, very easily. Here they are side by side. Here's the original one. Look at the detail. Look how clear it is. And look at this, the knockoff. Like they say, the Fugazi, right? Look at that B. That's supposed to be a B right there. Look at this. See? It's really in there. So, fake, original. So, here we go with the nice, beautiful pink. Now, on here, even the color is different. If you put the original, which is this one, with the fake one, there is a color difference. And in addition, if you look at them closely, remember, this is powder coated. You could see and feel the difference. This is just painted. This is so you can kind of see that it's just painting on top. I mean, look at that. There's no marksmanship there. Look at that. It's horrible. Look at this. Beautiful, smooth. Now here's another piece. I went ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put these standing up. So here they are. And here's the lids. Again, the detail, it's definitely not there on the caps. Pretty good. And I'm glad I went to go buy a real one. And that's the fake one right there. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put this upside down so you can see the bottom, since we know the internals are already different. So I'm going to go ahead and the label. Notice none of the packaging is included. But hey, let's not give them any ideas, right? So here's the label. I remove it. I'm going to go ahead and set it down right here. And here they are, back to back. Now, if you notice this one, I don't know who that is. It is a 32 ounce, 18.8 stainless. And that's basically what this is. It is a stainless bottle. So when you put hot material, guess what? It's going to get a little hot. And you know what? When you put cold material, you're going to feed it on the bottle. It's going to be a little cold. And you know what? The whole purpose of this bottle is exactly that it's supposed to be insulated. And it's supposed to be doing this right here, this wonderful piece right here. 24 hours cold and 12 hours hot. Double wall, vacuum insulated. That's what it's supposed to be. That's not what you're going to feel with something that's unfortunately fake. If you notice here, this is a little etched and painted on top. This right here is the original one. And this is where you could totally tell the difference between powder coat, original, and fake right over here. I mean, you could even see some of the paint on there, but look at this. This is beautiful, powdery coated. So there you have it. Wow, that's pretty damn good. I'll tell you that, honestly. And if we wouldn't have gone to our friends at REI, hey, I don't work for them, but if we wouldn't have gone to them, you know what, and got ourselves a set of originals and put them side by side, honestly, it would be very, very, very hard to tell. I'm going to show you another test to go ahead and test them out. Yeah, so now that the obvious points, the craftsmanship definitely does not compare, I'm going to do this. And then hopefully you can hear it. So what I'm going to do is impact this one right here. So I'm hoping the phone captures that. And here's the original. I'm going to do it one more time. So we got hollow, pure stainless steel, and this is double wall stainless steel, insulated. So what's my advice? You know what? Honestly, if it's too good to be true, the chances are it's too good to be true. So please do your research before especially investing on these wonderful bottles. It is a hefty investment. You know, they were about, $39 at REI. I have the receipt right over here. And another item that obviously I recommend getting is the boot. That way you protect and you won't get it banged up, since you'll be putting the bottle down a lot. So here is the price, $39.95. What do you get? You get a top quality, double wall insulated, attention to detail, and powder coated as opposed to just painted. And I mean, look how poorly this thing is. You see that? Look at all that overspray. Yeah, nice. Yeah, great job. Yeah, seriously. And you know what? A lot of people don't know. See, but this is what you would be getting. Something top quality. Hey, there's a reason why they cost, this significant investment. And guess what? This is how they came. They actually came in these boxes. Yeah, this right here. Yeah. There you go. I mean, if that isn't a red flag for you, I mean, hey, you know what? Honestly, it wasn't for me either. So, don't feel too bad if you actually fell for that. But you know what? That right there is a problem. It really is a problem. Well, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed, and gals enjoy the video. This is a very, very nice bottle. It is a little pricier, but hey, you know what? Just go to a reputable place instead of checking, unfortunately, eBay or Amazon. But here's the thing. There are some people that are selling the original. Feel free to ask them. If they don't respond back, hey, you know what? Don't get it. Honestly, if they're not willing to answer that question, then don't get it. And now, with this video, hopefully it's a lesson in what to look out for, the details of the product that you're actually buying. Go look at it. Go get a feel for it, so on and so forth. There's a weight difference, as you saw in the video. There's obviously a couple other differences on it, but there you go. That's the video. Hey, you know what? Thank you for watching. I hope it helps people identify, fake over real ones, and save your money. Gets what's worth it. And believe me, you're going to feel the difference immediately. This thing's going to feel cold, and these are not going to feel cold exactly because of that, because they're insulated. Yeah, there's other companies out there, so on and so forth, but hey, you know what? This is the company we decided to go with, and you know what? There's a quality product that they offer, and you know what? It's not fair that these people are taking the time to do these fake stuff, and you know what? Trying to sell it as this. It's not a hydro flask. All right. Thank you for watching once again. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to help out. And don't get duped like I, did. So, the good thing is I'm returning it. So that is a good thing. So hopefully this helps some people out there. And once again, thank you for watching. And have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe.